Hi guys, welcome back to TechCatAssist. In this video I want to show you how you can use option to recall emails in Outlook. Now before I do that guys, please subscribe to my channel, like the videos, check my other videos as well, make a comment and check my website TechCatAssist.com. Today I'm gonna try to get my cat assistant to join me on the video, okay? It is not easy to record him, but he actually is going to be on the video, so just for fun. So recalling a message in Outlook, I'm going to show it to you, but you have to know it's not always going to work. First of all, you have to be in the same organization. It has to be Microsoft Exchange. So let's say that you are using your work Outlook email, I'm not really sure, any address with Microsoft, and you're gonna send an email to Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail or something else outside your organization. It's not gonna work. They're gonna get a message that you try to recall the message and it's not gonna be recalled. So it is a tricky thing in some of the cases, okay? So when it's going to be successful is going to be if you're going to send an email within your organization, okay? So the same tenant, the same company, and using Outlook Microsoft Exchange. So if you send a message within your organization, you are going to, and of course the main factor is that the recipient cannot read the message. So if they didn't read the message and you're within the same tenant, within your organization, your recall will be successful. If you're gonna send your message to Gmail account, to Yahoo, to something else outside your organization, it's not gonna work. So, but I'm gonna show you how you can use that, okay? So, let's go down to the corner there. So the cat is gonna be on the other corner, okay? So I have here Outlook. I have here my email address, contact@techcatassist.com. So I'm gonna first send a message to myself, okay? So it's contact@techcatassist.com. Test. First of all, if you send an email and you want to recall it, you have to go to your sent items in Outlook, okay? So click on the send items, go to the last email, open it. So you're gonna get the menu on the top. Now on the top here, there's an option Actions. So click on Actions, recall this message. Click on it, then you're gonna get a pop-up window. Recall this message. Some recipients may have already read this message. So it's saying to you that if they read it, it's not going to be recalled because they already opened the email. But you have to here two options: delete unread copies of this message, and tell me if the recall succeeded or fails. So basically now you can click on that, leave like this, and just click on OK. And then you got a message here: you've tried to recall this message on Friday, November the 10th, okay, and the time. So now you just need to wait. You're gonna get a report from that, either it was successful or not. So, but as I mentioned before, it has to be. So I got the message here, I sent it to myself. So you see, I got it right away here because it's a different setup on my end. I'm not using Microsoft Exchange. I open this and it says here cannot be recalled. It's a different system. It's not the Microsoft tenancy. It's not the Microsoft tenant. It's not within my organization. It most of the cases is gonna work if you're sending email in your company to other employees, to your colleagues, okay? But otherwise it's not gonna work. It's very tricky thing that it's not gonna actually it's not gonna work, guys. So you have to know that that option is there, but it's not always gonna work. So yeah. So guys, yeah, if you liked the video, if you liked my cat who was here for a moment, that's my assistant. That was an inspiration for the channel. So yeah, like the video, like my channel, subscribe to my channel of course, and check my website TechCatAssist.com. And if you have any comments, any requests for any other videos, just give me a shout, okay? Thanks very much, take care, bye bye.